Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Dilna. Today in this video we are going to discuss some of the text functions in Microsoft Excel. So in Excel mostly it's dealing with numerical data, but at sometimes you can see you may come across with data that contains too much text. So in that time, text functions in Excel will help you to simplify the things easily. So in this session, we are discussing some of the text functions in Microsoft Excel. And the functions include len function, left function, right, mid, repeat, find, proper, trim, upper, and concatenate function. Each and every function we will discuss one by one. So let's start this session. So the first function is len function. Len function in Excel will help you to know the length of a string, that is the number of characters in a string. And the syntax of len function is equal len of text. So in this case, I want to find out the length of this string. That is, nothing is impossible. I want to find out the length of the string, and the length of the string is 21, including this two space. So we can find out this length by using len function. So equal len, and in brackets you can provide the text. So close the bracket and press enter. Now I go 21. Here the length of the string is 21, including this two space. So in the similar way we can find out length of dream big equal len of dream big, close the bracket. So I got 9 as the text length. Next function is left function. You can use the left function when you want to extract the leftmost characters from a string. And the syntax of left function is equal left, in brackets you can provide text and number of characters that you want to retrieve from the left side. In this example, nothing is impossible. I want to retrieve that nothing from this text. For that, I can use left function. So equal left, in brackets you can provide the text, comma, number of character, that is 7, and close the bracket. So I got nothing as the result. So in the same way I can retrieve dream from this dream big. So equal left, in bracket text, comma, number of characters 5. So we got the result dream. Similarly, the right function can be used when you want to extract the rightmost characters from a string. So its syntax is equal right in text and number of characters that you want to retrieve. So here I want to retrieve impossible. So equal right, in brackets text, comma, number of characters 10, close the bracket, press enter. So I got impossible. Similarly, I can retrieve big from this text. So equal right, in brackets text, number of characters 3, close the bracket, big. Next function is mid function. Mid function in Excel is used to extract the characters from the middle of a string, and its syntax is equal mid, in brackets you can provide the text and the starting character index, and third parameter is number of characters that you want to retrieve. So in this example I want to retrieve is mid, text is this one, and the I was index number is 9, and number of characters 2. I want to retrieve 2 characters from the middle starting from 9th. So 2 and close the bracket. So I got is. So similarly, I want to retrieve AM from this dream big. For that I can use mid function. So type equal mid. First parameter is text and the second parameter is the index number of A is 4 and number of characters I want to retrieve from middle is 2. I want to retrieve A and M, so 2 characters. So the third parameter is 2 and close the bracket. So now I code AM as the result. Next function is rep function. Rep function in Excel is used when you want a certain text to be repeated certain number of times. You can use this rep function, and syntax is equal rep in bracket the text that you want to repeat and the number of times that you want to repeat. So I want to repeat nothing is impossible 3 times, so I can use the rep function. So we can type equal rep in bracket text and number of times that you want to repeat that text. So I want to repeat 3 times, so I can give 3 as the second parameter and close the bracket. So the nothing is impossible is repeated 3 times. So here I want to repeat dream big 2 times. For that equal repeat text 2 times. So now it is repeated 2 times. Next function is find function. Find function in Excel is used when you want to know the position of certain characters in a particular string, and its syntax is equal find in brackets the first parameter is the text that you want to find out, and the second parameter is the text original text, and the third parameter is starting index number. From that position it starts searching this text. So in this case I want to find out position of M in the string. So for that you can use find function equal find in brackets the text that you want to find out is the first parameter. So in brackets you can provide M. So inside double quotes you can give M, and the second parameter is our text, and third parameter is start number. So when you provide this number, from this position it will start searching this character. So from first position it starts searching to find out this character M. So it is 5. So in fifth position we can see M. So in the next case I want to find out position of H in this work hard. So for that I will type equal find. I want to find out position of H. So in double quotes we can provide H. Second is text and the starting index number, that is 1. So from first position it starts searching character H and close the bracket. So in the sixth position we can see H. So including the space it is counted. So the next function is proper function. Proper function in Excel capitalizes each word in the string. That is, it converts a case into proper case. So here we can convert the string big into proper by using proper function. So type equal proper of text. So it capitalized each word. So similarly we can do this for work hard equal proper of text and close the bracket. Next function is upper function. As the name indicates, the upper function in Excel converts the text into uppercase from lowercase. So we can apply this uppercase by equal upper of text. So we can convert this into upper by upper function. So equal upper of text. Now it is converted into uppercase. Okay, next function is concatenate function. Concatenate function in Excel helps you to join the text of two or more cells together. So here I want to combine start and doing. So I can use concatenate function for that. So its syntax is equal concatenate in brackets. You can provide the text that you want to combine. So in this case, we can type equal concatenate first text, comma, second text. So in this case, there is no space between start and doing. So for to add a single space between start and doing, so between these two, we can add a single space inside a double quotes. Now we have added a single space between start and doing. Okay. And the last function is trim function. Trim function in Excel removes unnecessary spaces from a particular string. So in this case, you can see that there are unnecessary spaces at the start of the string and also between the start and doing. So we can trim this by using trim function equal trim in brackets. You can provide the text and close the bracket. Now it removed all the unnecessary spaces in the string. So in this session we discussed different functions like length function for to get the length of a string, and left function to retrieve the leftmost characters from a string, right function to retrieve rightmost characters, and mid function for retrieving middle characters, rep function for to repeat text multiple times, find function to find out a specific characters from a string, proper function to convert that string into proper format, trim for removing unnecessary spaces from a string, and upper to convert the lowercase into uppercase, and finally concatenate function to helps you to join the text of two or more cells into a single cell. So I hope you got some idea about text functions in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.